Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. So, I'm coming to you all today pretty much with another bargain bead box haul. And this one is called Costa Breeze. Now, I'm not going to get off into reading all of this because I never do. All right, I never do. Because I get so excited and so overwhelmed with these. But what I will do, and y'all know I will do this, I'm going to make sure I go down the list. We got 21 pieces in here this month. 21 pieces in here this month. And I'm going to tell y'all something. We got some goodies, y'all. We got some goodies. So this first one here is number 1. And these are some bead caps. And you get 30 pieces. And if y'all don't know, the Bargain Bead Box is a monthly subscription that you get every month. You sign up for it. It's $19, $20 something. And you get a variety of many different types of beads, okay? You get some really nice quality stuff, all right? Nice quality stuff. So that was number 2. Those are bead caps. This right here got me. These starfish, these are some Starfish Charms. Look at this. Look at the quality of those. That's number 2. These were Starfish Charms. You get 2 of those. And you can make something really cute, necklace, bracelet, whatever you want. You can even turn them into earrings. Number 3 is a 51 by 53 millimeter texturized starfish pendant. That's what this is. This is a starfish pendant. All right. That's really pretty. Like that's really, really pretty. I wish they had sent this to me because I would have made me something to wear. Because when I went away, I went to the ocean. I was in Atlantic City. And that would have really been nice for me to make a really cute necklace. This is number 4. And these are some Rondelle Beads. You get a strand of 16. These are really cute. Look at this. You see that? You see that on there? I don't know if y'all can see it, how it's hitting. But that's really beautiful. This was number 4. Number 5, you get some 8mm crystal Rondelle beads. This is number 5. Look at all that. These are beautiful. I love the color. This is what color is this? Turquoise. I'm sorry. Yeah, turquoise. Number 6. These are called synthetic turquoise starfish beads. Okay. I thought these are really cute too. Really cute. Okay, and the string is, what number is this? Number 6. This is on a 7-inch string of beads. String. All right, number 8. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm skipping. Number 7, we have some polished seashell round beads. These are 8mm polished seashell round beads. Okay, that was number 7. And number 8, I believe, is some chain. It is some textured steel oval chain. Let's see. That's what this is right here. This is number 8. You see that right there, that shape? That's considered to be oval. The shape of the chain. It's a nice chain. Really nice chain. I could see some of them starfish on this chain. Some of them green ones on this chain. Yeah. So that was number 8. Number 9 These are called Fauceted. What is that? Fauceted Agate Cubes, weathered. Fauceted weathered agate cubes. Wait a minute, I'm trying to get it open. That's what these look like. And these are some type of agate. Weathered, weatherized, weathered, frosted, weathered agate cubes. That was number 9. Number 10, we have these are mother of pearl round beads, mother of pearl. These are gorgeous. Look at that. Y'all gonna have to excuse my hands. Those are cute. And that was number 10. Number 10. And the size of these, they are 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter. They're really little. Okay, number 11. Number 11, we have hand-carved shell drops. You only get 2. Those are pretty. Yeah, that's what they're called. Hand-carved shell drops. That was number 11. Number 12, you get some synthetic coral fluted melon beads, light turquoise. That's what these are right here. All right. And that was number 12, and you get 6. Yeah, you get 6 pieces in here. Number 13, which I was happy to see. I got really excited about these because these are some, these are shell and starfish links. I've never seen anything like this before, connected. At first, when I opened it up, I thought that they were separate, but they're actually one link. They're together. So you got your shell on one side, and then you got your starfish on the opposite side, and that's number 13. Yeah. Number 14, you get 5 pieces of the synthetic coral scallop beads. And it says varied pink. I guess that's the name of the color. Oh, these are cute. Those are cute. So you get, that's number 14. You get 5 in here. Yep, you get 5. Number 15, you get some more stars. Well, these aren't stars. These are gold. These are, listen to me, y'all. That's number 15. These are, oh, they are Starfish Beads. Starfish Beads is what they are. Yep, they're 14 millimeter. They look kind of small to be 14 millimeter, but I guess that's right. Anyway, they're 14 millimeter, and you get a bag of, let's just say 10. So it doesn't really have a size on here. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8. It don't say how many you get in the bag. Yeah, you get 8. Well, I received 8. Okay, that was number 15. Number 16, these are called Electroplated Lava Stone Burl Beads. And it's on a strand of 8.5, 5 times 8, or 5/8, so 5 times 8, or whatever you want to call it. All right, these are gorgeous. Electroplated. All right, and this was number 16. Number 17, these are some, what is that? Textured, some type of toggles, pebble textured toggle clasp. That's what these are. And those are really cute. You get 2 of those. Okay, let's go to number 18. Number 18, you have 2 pieces of the carved shell pendants. So that's what these are. Okay, these are beautiful. I'm gonna tell y'all something. I never really use up all of my bargain bead box stuff. I never use it up, like never. I really need to go ahead and just, but every month I get it, and I'm thinking this is number 19, and these are called the Freshwater Shell Beads Pale Pink. It's 40 pieces on a 6x4 millimeter. Okay, 6x4, that's the size of them. 6x4 millimeter freshwater pearl shell beads, and the color is called pale pink. And they're pretty. They're really pretty. That was number 19. Okay. Yeah, I never hardly ever really use up all my beads, y'all. This is number 20. And number 20 is some Lampwork glass beads. It reminds me of some type of cake. That's what it looked like to me. I don't even know what type of shape this is. I just know it's Lampwork, y'all. Nutella's beads. I don't know. Anyway, that was number 20, and this is the very last one, and this is 2 pieces. You get 2 tone agate oval beads, cream, transparent, ivory. Oh, those are gorgeous. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. The size of these is 34 by 9 millimeter. 2-tone. And you can see it. Definitely see the 2-tone, but these are gorgeous. So this bargain bead box for the month of July, y'all, that is called, let me tell y'all again what it's called, Costa Breeze, is awesome. Absolutely, absolutely awesome. Awesome. They did that thing with this box. This box, I like all my boxes, but just the colors and the stars and all that good stuff. So now all I got to do is figure out what I'm going to make and create, right? So with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this haul for this month of July. I try to bring it to y'all every month. Everybody, I'm thinking that we all get the same thing because it's 1,000,001 people doing these hauls on their channels. But anyway, when you see one, you see all, because I think everybody pretty much get the same thing every month. So with that being said, y'all, if you're not familiar with the bargain bead box, get familiar with it. Check it out. I guarantee you won't. That $19 that you pay every month is worth it. It really is. And they also tell you the value of it. Well, this one don't have it, but most of the time when I get it, it tells you the value of, you know, pretty much of what you say. Oh, $65. It's a $69 value is what I got here. Okay, so you can't go wrong with this, y'all. You get it every month faithfully. It comes in this, and then they wrap it in this tissue paper, and then they also wrap it in a blue. You get it in a blue envelope like this every month. Okay, you don't know when it's going to come. You just know that it's coming. But what they do that I really like about it is that they send you an email letting you know that it's been shipped. So they'll send you that email once you get it. I mean, and then right after they send you the email, a couple of days, just be looking for it in the mail. But if you haven't checked it out, go check it out. It's Bargain Bead Box, you know. And anyway, so with that being said, thank y'all so much for joining me. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. Please make sure you thumbs up this video. And until my next one, peace and blessings, everyone. Y'all, please continue to stay safe. See ya.